good morning everybody, good morning class. Welcome back to our English subject. Today we are going to study a form. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Everybody is fine. Okay? Today we study about form. You know form? Tahu kalian semua apa itu form? Oke. Form itu adalah formulir. Ya, formulir. In daily life, we always find form. For example, when we register in a school, of course you have to fill out a form, right? Okay. Now, because we study Peminatan today, English Peminatan, the first topic, the first subject is about kinds of forms. Today we are going to study about form. A form is something we always find in our daily life and we need to fill out when we want to open a bank account, a reserve book, something, or make a reservation in a hotel, in a restaurant, for a flight. Yes, many. Jadi banyak kita lakukan pengisian formulir bila kita mendaftar di sekolah atau mau memesan tempat, membooking tiket, masuk hotel, kita akan isi. Yes. Okay. Before we continue, I would like to teach you. I would like to explain about the definition of a form. What is a form? A form is a document printed or electronic with spaces in which we can write or enter data or information of ourselves, and it is used for special purposes. A form is very useful in our daily life. Yeah. When we study form, we will study later about the definition of a form. Jadi kita akan pelajari nanti definisi formulir itu apa, the function of a form, fungsinya formulir apa, and we will study about kinds of forms, types of forms, jenis-jenis formulir. We will study one by one. Kita pelajari satu-satu ya anak-anak. Kita mulai ke form ya. As I told you, yang tadi Miss bilang, a form is a document printed or electronic with spaces in which we can write or enter data or our information, personal information. Jadi formulir itu sebenarnya tempat kosong yang harus diisi dengan informasi atau data-data kita. Ya. Okay, we continue. What is the function? The function of a form is to collect someone's personal information in order to fulfill requirements that are asked by institution or any corporation or company or any others. The generic structure of a form, biasanya ada karakter dari formulir itu atau ciri-ciri formulir itu, biasanya apa yang diisi ke formulir itu biasanya data-data kita, for example name, nama, age, usia, and then address, date of birth, marital status, occupation, job, etc. Jadi yang berhubungan, it depends on the form, tergantung formulirnya nanti. Biasanya yang standar itu nama kita, pekerjaan, tempat tanggal lahir, status perkawinan, jenis kelamin, pada umumnya seperti itu. And then when you make a form, biasanya kalau bikin formulir itu biasanya kita bahasanya sederhana dan simple. Okay, here I will tell you some kinds of forms. There are some kinds of forms serving different functions. For example, registration form, reservation form, deposit slip, purchase form, order form, medical form, withdrawal slip, saving slip, etc. Yeah, we will discuss one by one, and we will study about the function. For example, registration form. Registration form itu formulir pendaftaran. What is the function? Tujuannya untuk apa? Fungsinya formulir itu untuk apa? To make someone become official member in a school, for example, in a course, in a college, or in any group, club, etc. Jadi kalau registration form namanya formulir pendaftaran, itu biasanya kita membuat mendaftar, mengisi formulir. Sebelum kita mendaftarkan, kita harus mengisi formulir untuk kita masuk sekolah, contohnya kursus atau kuliah, masuk klub dan sebagainya. Biasanya kita akan mengisi formulir pendaftaran, dan ini sangat sering. Maybe I'm sure you are familiar with this form, dan Miss yakin kalian semua udah terbiasa melihat ini. Paling tidak kalian telah pernah mengisi waktu masuk sekolah SMA. Pasti kamu isi formulir kan? Apa aja dalam formulir tersebut? Ciri-cirinya atau apa isinya? Okay, right. What you fill in the form, of course, your name, and then age, date of birth, etc. Yeah. Okay, I will give you the example of registration form later, and then we continue to reservation form. Reservation form itu formulir pemesanan. Jadi kita mau booking sesuatu atau pesan sesuatu, we reserve in advance, or we book something. We have to fill the reservation form. Pasti kita akan mengisi juga formulir pendaftaran, pemesanan. Function. The function of reservation form is to reserve or book a place or an event, a party, for example. So we reserve a seat in a hotel, a table in a restaurant, a ticket for a flight, etc. And I will give you the example. Next, we continue to deposit slip or saving slip form. Jadi ada juga kalau kita mau tulis atau mau ngambil uang atau menabung. Kalau di sini deposit slip, when we want to save money, we have to fill a form in a bank. It usually happens. Sering terjadi, dan memang kita harus isi formulir itu kalau kita mau deposit, because we want to save our money. We have to fill the form. Any of you knows what should be filled out in the form? Apa aja yang harus diisi? Tahu anak-anak semua? Pasti tahu ya. Because it is familiar, you are familiar with the form. Yeah, I'm sure most of you usually fill out the form when you deposit some money in a bank. So the function of deposit slip, what is the function? Apa fungsinya? Okay, right. The function is to save some money or to deposit some money in a bank. And then what have to be filled out? Yang harus diisi apa kira-kira? Yeah. Of course, for deposit slip, we have to fill out our name, and then our bank account number, and then the date when we deposit, the date, and signature. Signature itu tanda tangan. We have to sign, and then there is also customer's signature, and then etc. The amount. The most important thing is the amount of the money you deposit or the money that you will save. Jadi jumlah uang, nomor rekening, tanggal penabungan itu harus ada. Okay, I will give you the example of the form, and then we continue to purchase form. Purchase form itu formulir pembelian. When you want to purchase or buy something, many items, you have to fill the items. Of course you have to fill the form also. It is also called form. Itu juga disebut formulir. Jadi ada purchase form. What should be filled out? Yang harus diisi apa? Okay, of course the things, the goods, the things you are going to buy, the things you are going to purchase should be filled out, and then the price, the date of the purchase, tanggal pembeliannya, and then there is also signature. Okay. Next, we continue to a withdrawal slip. Withdrawal slip also found in a bank when you want to withdraw some money, when you want to take some money. Withdrawal slip itu formulir atau slip penarikan uang. So when you want to withdraw some money, of course, it can be done through ATM, automatic teller machine, melalui ATM. But when you want to withdraw when you want to take large amount of money, it must be done through a bank account. So you have to write down the amount of money in the withdrawal slip. So some data, some information that should be filled out from the form, in the form, it is called withdrawal slip. And should be, when you want to fill out the form, you have to fill out the date of the withdrawal, and then the amount of the money you withdraw, jumlah uang yang kamu tarik, and then signature, your bank account number, nomor rekening bank juga harus dimasukkan. So there are some, but that's some kinds of forms, and there are also some others. And here also we study about medical form. What is the function? The function is to make a statement that you are free from contagious disease or illness, and you are healthy enough. Jadi medical form itu juga formulir yang harus kamu isi tentang catatan kesehatan kamu. Kamu terbebas dari penyakit atau catatan medis kamu, ya. Nanti akan Ibu terangkan, akan Ibu kasihkan contoh-contoh. Jadi after studying this material, I hope you understand how to fill out the form. At the end of the subject, you are expected to be able to distinguish, to make the difference, to find the difference among kinds of forms. And then you know how to fill out the form with your personal data or information. Jadi kamu diharapkan di akhir belajar ini, kamu tahu itu jenis-jenis formulir itu harus familiar. Lalu kamu bisa mengisi formulir. ya. Lalu kamu juga harus tahu bedanya mana formulir saving slip, deposit slip, reservation form, registration form, medical form, etc. Jadi harus tahu bedanya. Jenis-jenis formulir apa aja. Dengan penjelasan yang singkat ini, Miss berharap kalian bisa mengerti. I hope that you understand. But if you still don't understand, you can read your book. Kalian bisa baca buku kamu, or you find in internet, in Google about kinds of forms. The more you study, the more you understand. Makin sering kalian belajar, makin kalian mengerti. So please be active, be creative, be diligent, be disciplined. You will be successful. Jadi kalau kalian belajar, harus diulang-ulang. You have to review the subject at home. Diulang-ulang, dipelajari lagi di rumah, ya anak-anak ibu. Jadi penjelasan ibu yang singkat ini, ibu harap kalian bisa pahami, lalu kalian bisa ulangi lagi di rumah. You discuss with your friend, diskusi dengan teman. You read through Google, kamu baca kembali dari Google. Everything is can be found. Everything can be found in through internet, through Google, and other sources of learning. Okay, this is the end of our subject. Next time, we continue to other subject. See you later. See you again on the next meeting. Bye-bye.